Hi Nathan, this is Josh at Encore Mustang Parts with your 1990 Grade B mass airflow engine harness. Let me start by telling you that this thing is in very good condition. There are no new terminals that I noticed. There are no butt connectors. There are no splice connectors. And I didn't have to add anything like clip-wise. I didn't have to change anything to make it as nice as it is. This is what you were most concerned about, was all this coil wire stuff. So these are all in good condition. The terminals are clean. There's no corrosion or anything in them. This is the fusible link to the starter solenoid. This is a ground disconnect for the negative battery cable. It's sometimes broken or cut off, and people have put eyelets. This is a really nice harness. AC clutch going up here. You've got the EC4 pin connector. I see a little green on this here. This is no power source of any kind. It's just a test port and is exposed to the elements, so forgive me for that one. These are the connections to the dashboard, the black and the gray where it meets to the dashboard, and how you know it's 90 only, black and gray here, with airbag sensors. The only year it was like that. Barometric pressure sensor plug, clips are good. Fuel injector harness connectors, the tape is factoried up there. It's not been hacked into. This is a little bit of something here, but this is all factory. One or two broken clips on the front. Distributor plug, good condition. Clips are there. Plugs are clean. Comes with the spout connector. Air conditioning can. Emissions plugs are back here. This is over on the passenger side struts. However, now our oxygen sensor wiring harness clip is good. Airbag sensor clip is good. Relay, busted clip. Airbag sensor. The mass sensor is there with the clips. It's all nice stuff, man. I think you should be happy with it. I mean, it's not 100%, but it sure is a nice harness, complete and unmolested. I know that's what we talked about, and I know that's why you keep coming back to me. I hope this is suitable for your needs and desires, and this will go out Monday if so.